It's time to reinvent the wheel. I know that is typically not wise advice, but stick with me on this and I'll explain what I mean. We have a lot of systems and structures in our world, in our governments, in our schools. We're surrounded by them, and many of them are broken. So let me ask you this. If you have a wheel and it doesn't work, how long do you keep patching it and repairing it and having it fall apart on you again? And when do you step back and think, okay, we need to reinvent this thing. We need to start over because this doesn't work. This is where we are right now with so many things in our world. You know, I'm passionate about stopping global warming, and that is a big example. So many things contributing to it. And it's just broken systems that are allowing it to proliferate, to keep fueling it with more and more toxins. There's more every year. It hasn't declined at all. We're exacerbating the situation instead of helping it. And we've had decades to figure this out. But the systems are getting Band-Aids, a little bit here, a little bit there, and it's not helping. It's time we reinvent the wheel. Stop the spread of toxicity. Stop trying to do it with a little plug when we need a dam and we're drowning. This is a conversation well past the scope of this video, but I just want to point out that if we're willing to have conversations, sit down and innovate new solutions instead of band-aiding or tweaking what's already been done that doesn't work, we'd be able to get a lot further faster. Be sure to hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.